Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel Learn and Earn Academy. And today in this video we are going to talk about 7 best value investing books that you cannot afford to miss. Now if you are new to the market, if you want to learn the basics of stock market, and if you want to invest your money to gain returns, you should definitely consider reading these 7 books. The first book is The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. Now, Warren Buffett considers this book as the best book ever written on investing. This book contains tons of important concepts and which builds the foundation of value investing. The author of this book, Benjamin Graham, is considered as father of investing. He is famously credited for popularizing the concept of value investing in the investing population. Coincidentally, he was also the mentor of Warren Buffett at Columbia Business School. After graduation, Graham hired Warren Buffett to work and learn in his investing firm. Warren Buffett inherited the principle of value investing from Benjamin Graham, which later helped him to build great fortune and become one of the most successful stock market investors of all time. Overall, this is definitely one of the best value investing books, and for the serious investors, this is a must read. So if you want to build a strong value investing foundation, I would recommend you to read this book. Now the next book is The Little Book That Beats the Market by Joel Greenblatt. Now this is probably the shortest book that I have ever read on investing. You can easily finish this book in one sitting. In this book, the author Joel Greenblatt explains the concept of value investing and his approach to pick winning stocks. He also shares his strategy of magic formula that consists of two financial ratios: return on capital and return and earning yield, which help him to pick fundamentally strong companies year after year. Overall, it's a nice read and an excellent place to start reading if you have never invested in stocks before. Now, the third book is The Warren Buffett Way by Robert Hagstrom. I've started reading this book to learn value investing principles and strategies. The book contains all the things that it promises. A good thing about the book Warren Buffett Way is the author tends to stay away from the high faulting words that makes it understandable to anyone with willing to learn in value investing. The book begins by introducing Warren Buffett's early life and education and also discusses his first investment at the age of 11. In next chapter, the book covers his journey of how he read The Intelligent Investor, got influenced by author Benjamin Graham, and later ended up joining the Columbia Business School just to learn to invest from Graham. The book also mentions Charlie Munger, the business partner of Warren Buffett and vice chairman of Berkshire Hathaway, and how he influenced Warren Buffett's investing style. There are a number of key takeaways from this book on the management, capital market, and business, which can be applied to a wide variety of investing strategies. Overall, the Warren Buffett Way book is a definite guide that will help you to decide how to make crucial decisions while reaching any company to invest. Now, Value Investing in Behavioral Finance by Parag Parekh. Now, this is one of the best books written by the Indian author that I have ever read. The book educates the readers about the much needed topics that are ignored by most financial websites, books, and media. The Value Investing in Behavioral Finance book is well structured and contains 12 chapters. Few of the best ones are Understanding Behavioral Traits, Behavioral Obstacles to Value Investing, Contrarian Investing, Public Sector Units, Sector Investing, Initial Public Offering, Index Investing, and Bubble Trap. The fifth book is The Little Book of Value Investing by Christopher H. Brownie. Once you have read the lengthy 600-page of The Intelligent Investor, this book might seem tiny one with similar powerful concepts. In this book, Christopher Brownie uses the analogy of supermarket shopping to explain the concept of buying stocks. At supermarket, both glamorous and cheap products are available. It totally depends upon the buyer behavior whether he will buy a well packaged expensive product or will choose an undervalued product on sale. Only the value investors take the effort to dive into the market and look items on discount. There are a number of valuable investing concepts in the book like diversification of stock, creating a margin of safety, preferring value over growth, shareholding, insiders business or selling pattern, etc. that can help you learn a lot of value investing strategies. Now you can purchase all these books from the link mentioned in the description box below. You can directly purchase these books from Amazon. Now number 6 is The Dhando Investor by Monish Pabre. This book is based on the central concept of heads I win, tails I don't lose. So don't lose much, that is low risk, high return. The author in the book, Monish, is an Indian American investor, businessman, and philanthropist. He is the managing director of Pabre Investment Funds, an investment fund based on similar models so that Warren Buffett's partnership in 1950s. Since inception in 1999, this investment fund has given an annualized return of 28%, hence has consistently beaten the index. The seventh and the most important book is Warren Buffett Letters to Shareholders. Now, this is not exactly a book, but a collection of letters written by Warren Buffett to his shareholders at Berkshire Hathaway. It has been written letters for over past 50 years, and if you merge all the letters, the learning are more than 50 books combined. Now, this book also you can purchase from the link which I will mention in the description box below. You can directly purchase these books from Amazon. You will get a good discount, plus your knowledge, expertise will definitely be better as compared to what it is now after reading these 7 books.